Hi, so I'm Vanessa. I'm usually working in the office, coordinating all those crazy guides and guests. Now I'm at home, being pretty much a housewife, and Nicole, one of our guides, she sent me like a really amazing blog with recipes. What people can do now with all their hoarded toilet paper and noodles. So I went into my kitchen to prepare some really nice breakfast, and this is what I made. I'm just taking you with me now into my lovely kitchen. And I hope this is working now. It isn't, I can't turn the camera around, so this is what I made. For the start, I kept it really simple, dry noodles and toilet paper. I'm really excited and look forward to that. Guten Appetit!